my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna just show y'all how I install my clip-in extensions. And y'all, I just kind of pre-pressed my hair last night, washed it and everything, and yeah, I don't know what I'm doing right here. I just think I'm trying to like play with my hair because I haven't had it straight in so long, and yeah, I just think it looked so cute, so I was just like playing with it or whatever. But what I'm doing now is just, oh yeah, and I do want to let y'all know, for even my new subscribers, that I did do a big chop about a year and a half ago. Yeah, it was during 2020, like in the summer. I don't remember which day, but yeah, it was like a year ago, well, like a year and a half ago. I did the big chop, so yeah, this is my hair, I'm guessing in like a year and a half or whatever. But I am taking like hair vitamins, y'all, so I can get my hair, you know, a little bit more healthier. I actually do need to start drinking more water too, so yeah, because I know that helps with like hair growth and everything. But yeah, let me stop all this random talking and just let y'all watch the video. But yeah, this is just a really easy method that I do when I don't feel like, you know, keep wearing wigs. All that like glue and everything is just like so annoying sometimes. So this is just like a really easy, simple look that sometimes I like to do when I don't feel like, you know, just doing the whole wig install. But yeah, let's continue to the video.
Ooh, baby, heavy on my empty mindset. I can't lose it, just a man. To worry that I wasted the best.